Hi guys, the last time I talked to you was on the 9th of March, and as you can see, Litecoin is still moving in one direction. It has not hit this next part here, but it's going to hit that in the next few days. Also, you would have noticed that Bitcoin is climbing currently as well, so it's going for its target. It's up here somewhere. Also, there's a lot of other coins that the guys from Python Signals suggested that I bought into, which was a month ago already, and currently I'm standing on a profit of 329%. So the coins that they recommend is working and it's giving profits. So guys, if I were you, I would sign up for Python Signals. You can look in the description below. There is a link to sign up for Python Signals. It's only $50 for a month, and you can then try it out. The analysis and the info they give is excellent, and I would suggest using it because I've been using it for a month, and I'm gonna subscribe again because the info is making me